Pag nakascore si third to daw, guys, abangan nyo.
Galing mo mang hype. Back to set number 2 now. Cantada. Faye. The blockers have been on point here.
They've been controlling the offense of Adamson.
What a serve. What a serve for Lams Lamina.
Great intention there by Lamina.
Sagaysay, back row. This has worked for Shaina Netura, and it continues to do so.
Off the court, the energy never wavers, lalo na sa bench. According to the rookies, si Camila Lamina ang MVP sa sayawan. Hindi raw pwedeng walang cheer. At kung tatanungin si Lams, she admits dancing doesn't come easy. Sa una, hirap ako sa steps, pero pag nakuha ko na, magaling na rin ako sumayaw. And in a way, parang the NU team din yan.
Best setter na nga.
Best dancer pa.
What can she not do?
Parang gano'n na nga rin yung flow nila in the first set. They were nangangapa ng konti nung una, but when they found their rhythm, and I mean, looking...
That one with some love from the net.
Sa mga ganong serve, mga sumasabit sa net.
Faye, they've been running this play, but it's been red. Netura. Good coverage for Aposaga. One more time for Netura. She will not take no for an answer. Service ace for Joy Aseo.
Joy Aseo's second ace of the game.
Sagaysay, Netura. Another off-the-block hit. Eight to 7 is the score. And right off the technical timeout, Vangeline Sug with a service ace. Cantada, Sagaysay was right there. Mordi denied. Chami Maaya. Gusto niya, best blocker na rin siya. Best dancer and setter na nga. Competitive. That's a tough serve. And Chami Maaya will score. NU has been serving quite strongly here. Sagaysay will try Aseo, and it drops.
Talaga yung offense nila, which is why NU is able to block and deflect their spikes.
Lamina will try the slide. Maaya heating up here in set number 2. Lamina, Cantada flying in. And Tadao and Aseo working in tandem. That's over. And is that Lamina winning that
Yep, the joust.
joust?
Red Pascal, serving.
It's JPU, they're trying to switch things up here. Lams to Panique. A high bump set. Netura had to use her left hand. Hardyo, a bump set to Cantada. Beautiful volleyball.
That's beautiful volleyball right there.
Wow, what a serve. Out of system for Netura, who still manages to score. Lams, quick attack for Alexa Mata. Bump set, Alinsug, straight to Aseo's hands. Netura will attack and Netura will score. Good serve for Joy Aseo. Lamina, left pin. Hardyo bumps it gently to Alinsug, cross court. Aposaga with a great dig. And Netura ties it up at 15. Great coverage there. We're tied again, partner, at 15. Panique away from the net. That will be a chase by Aseo. This will be a free ball. Hardyo, Lamina from the middle, Panique. Netura for the lead. Not yet, says Alinsug. And now it's from the back, Cantada. And Aposaga mishandles it. Sagaysay, Nitura has had the hot hand. Nitura. Jamie Maaya with the response.
Again.
That's inside for Vanch Alinsug. Good first pass. Maaya had to adjust. Lamina back set from the left pin. Cantada binalik. Cantada drop ball. Sagaysay one more time. Good cover by Tadao. Bascon will try. Long exchange. Aseo from the back row. Lamina to Chami Maaya. And she scores. Sharp serve. Straight to Nitura. Mordi is back in and makes her presence felt. Lamina. Back row Panique with a bomb.
Lamina already with 12 excellent sets.
Sagaysay back set. Aseo bounces through the hands and it works.
This is what Adamson has been.
With 4 of her 5 points. Mordi on deck. Lamina from the left pin. Panique. Undiggable. Sagaysay. Nitura now in the front. Good dig. And Vanch Alinsug.
He's been forcing Adamson into a lot of out-of-system plays. The perfect pass there.
Aseo. Chance ball here. Sagaysay goes to the hot hand. Rejected for set point NU. Looking for the finisher. It's still alive. Lamina set up for Alinsug, who says, come on!
A statement hit.